Hi, I'm Laura Parker with Stones of Change in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I'm here to talk to you today about how to use crystals for healing and what you would do to perform crystal healing. What you'll need is to find yourself a reputable holistic practitioner. The best probable way to use crystals would be to work with the chakras. Study the chakras a little bit and then choose your stones, whatever you are drawn to, and you would place them on your 7 chakras with the appropriate colors, so the vibration of the color will match the vibration of the chakra that you're trying to aid. A lot of people will make a elixir, and they will take maybe sea salt or salt water from the ocean, and or just plain water that's been sitting in the sunshine. You would let your stone marinate in the water for maybe 24 hours, preferably during a full moon, and let the water absorb some of the essence from the gemstone. And then maybe once or twice a day you would put a couple of drops on your tongue. A lot of people will use them really for medicinal purposes with different gemstones, and you can get more serious about it and add different herbs and flower essence and bring about different vibrations and different feelings that you'll project outwardly by drinking them. If you're going to use gemstones and rocks, you must believe. And I think that's the major part of it. And then do your homework and see what the ancients have told us for years, that the different properties, the different healing properties that gemstones have. So you can tune into that and tap into that. I say do your research and see what you're drawn to and take it from there. And that's how you perform crystal healing.